Hi friends, welcome to Navani's Spice Magic. Today I am preparing a dessert, easy, quick and microwavable chocolate brownie. It is simple, luscious and magically enlightens your mood. A brownie when topped with a scoop of ice cream takes you over the top of delicious memories. So let's check the process. Ingredients required are butter 40 grams, chocolate, this is semi-sweet chocolate, so I am taking 60 grams, sugar 2 tablespoons, milk 3 tablespoons, room temperature milk, boiled and brought it into room temperature, maida around 9 tablespoons. So we will take butter, we'll add chocolate to this, we will microwave this till it melts. So this is 1 minute, this is melted, we'll mix it properly. We'll add sugar, mix this also properly. We'll start adding the flour. We shall add 3 tablespoons of milk to this. We'll mix and then see if it is required, we'll add more. It is thick, so I shall add 1 more tablespoon, mix it and check. So it is still little thick, so I'll just add 1 more tablespoon. This consistency is fine. So I've taken a microwave safe box. I'm pouring this mixture into this. So I've poured into this. Now I'll drizzle on the top with some choco chips. Now we shall microwave this for around 1 minute. This is done. We'll allow this to cool down for at least 10 minutes. You can have it directly with the spoon if you want it hot, but I want it to be served with ice cream, so I want to wait for 10 minutes more. Here is our super delicious, tasty and kids' favorite simple microwave brownie ready to be relished with a scoop of ice cream drizzled with some chocolate syrup and choco chips. It just enlightens your mood. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.